everyone, respected sirs, teachers, and my dear friends. Myself, Pinky Chauhan of 10th Standard. A very proud and happy 18th Independence Day to each and every one of you. Today I stand before you not just as a student, I stand before you as an Indian. Today we are not just gathered here to celebrate a date on the calendar. We are gathered here to celebrate a very important day for all the Indians. We are here to remember the sacrifices and struggle of our great freedom fighters. A struggle that cost countless lives. A struggle that broke chains. A struggle that gave us right to stand here and say that we are Indians, we are free. Freedom is not just a gift from the past, it is a responsibility for the future. But this freedom was not free. Our freedom fighters had sacrificed their career, their families, their future, and even all their life. They gave their tomorrow for our today. Remember the sacrifices of Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Sarojini Naidu, Rani Lakshmibai, and extraordinary freedom fighters who fought for our country. From the first war of independence in 1857 to the historic Dandi March to the Quit India movement, our India gained independence finally on 15 August 1947. Millions of Indian freedom fighters had dreamed to see a free India, and now we are enjoying the fruit of their sacrifices. But they did not fight for country so that we can easily enjoy it. They fight so that we can do something greater than that. Today, on this 18th Independence Day, I want to ask you only one question, that what is independence? What is independence? Is it just wearing tricolor clothes? Is it just singing national anthem? Is it just taking a holiday, wearing traditional clothes and posting a patriotic message on social media? No, it's not. Independence is much more than that. Independence means freedom. The freedom to speak, the freedom to learn, the freedom to dream high, the freedom to live with dignity. Our freedom fighters did not ask that what India has gave to us. They did not ask that what India has gave to us. They asked that what I can give to India. They did not ask that what India has done for me. They did not ask that what India has done for me. They asked that what I can do for India. Don't just love your country, serve your country. Don't just love your country, serve your country. Because our Indian Constitution says that we the people of India. We the people of India. Not we the Hindu, we the Muslim, we the Christian, we the Sikh. We the people of India. So, it is our responsibility to fight against the problems, to fight against the corruption, to fight against the inequality, to fight against the ignorance, to fight against the discrimination. Don't just wait for India to be changed. Don't just wait for India to be changed. Be the change that India is waiting for. We should always remember that we are not just the future citizens of India. We should always remember that we are not just the future citizens of India. We are the builders of India. We should not only say that my India is great. We should not only say that my India is great. We are the reason that makes India great. We should not just salute when tricolors fly. We should not just salute when tricolors fly. Carry its values in your heart and eyes. Our freedom fighters gave us freedom. Our freedom fighters gave us freedom. Now it's our turn to give the next generation a strong and great India. If someone asks you who will build India, if someone asks you who will build India, not someone else, your answer should be strong and pride that I will, you will, we will, and every citizen will build India. 80 years ago, when tricolors fly into the sky, 80 years ago, when tricolors fly into the sky, simply not just a flag, but as a promise. If our freedom fighters can sacrifice their lives for the nation, if our freedom fighters can sacrifice their lives for the nation, can we not sacrifice our laziness, selfishness for the progress of our country? India is not just a piece of land. India is not just a piece of land. India is an emotion. India is the prayer of a mother. India is the prayer of a mother. India is the spirit of a farmer. India is the courage of a soldier. We don't want to hold any weapon to serve our country. We don't want to hold any weapon to serve our country. A student can serve India by learning. A teacher can serve India by inspiring. A farmer can serve India by feeding. A soldier can serve India by protecting. On this glorious 18th Independence Day, let us salute the heroes of our past, enjoy the achievement of our present, and take the responsibility for the past. Let us do promise that we will work for India, we will stand for India, and we will make India proud. Let us become the generation who never dreams small. Let us become the generation who never dreams small. Let us become the generation who never wait for change. Let us be responsible and do something great. Let us be responsible and do something great. That we should not be proud of India. India should be proud of us. Thank you, Jai Hind.